We are at Crest number 2 in Midwest City, Oklahoma, and we are replacing a 70-ton train unit. Oh, I heard clicks. I thought something was fixed to happen. Anyway, it's a 70-ton train unit. Whenever this building was built, I want to say that this unit was put in 1978. When they pulled the old unit off, I wasn't sure how much it weighed, but once the crane picked it up, the crane said that it weighed about 14,700 pounds. And then our new unit that they're fixing to pick up, it weighs right at 15,000. So it'll weigh 15,000 pounds. And then the curb adapter that we just set behind me, it weighed 3,500 pounds. So we've got a lot of weight on the roof, and so our structure is good to hold all of that, and we're in pretty good shape. So we'll get these things set today. We'll probably have about 8 or 10 hours in it today getting this thing set, and then we'll have to come back and do the controls and get that stuff working, and then they'll have to hook up the reheat and kind of go from there. And so it took 2 semis to get everything here. So they brought the new unit here for us, and then they also brought the curb adapter. And so once we get all that stuff on the roof, then they set the old unit down on the ground, and then they'll pick it up, put it back on a semi, and they'll haul it off for us. 20 or 30 guys. This has probably been an 8-month long project. So I started about 8 months ago, come out here and took all of our measurements and stuff, got prices of the new unit, and it was an 8-month build. And so anyway, so train took 8 months to build the new unit that goes on the roof here. And so I come out and measured all of the holes in the existing unit, and we had to have a curb adapter, and our curb adapter, the big gray box behind me, it fits the footprint of the existing unit that was there. And so anyway, so the bottom of that curb adapter fits that footprint, and then the top of this curb adapter fits the new unit that we're fixing to pick up and put on top of it. So like I say, I spent a ton of time out here measuring and getting everything right. And so now then our curb adapter, when we got it set, our plenums that come up were within an inch, which is outstanding, which is great. So the guys right now are just making all their final touches and sealing all that up so the air goes where we want it to go. So they're sealing that up now. And once we get that done, then we'll pick up the big unit that's down on the semi, and we'll bring it up, and it'll just set right back down on top of it. And once it does, then we'll start hooking back up the electrical. We'll be hooking up the reheat pipes. We'll be hooking up the control wires and getting everything going. So we should have this thing ready to fire up probably by the end of the week. So we're just tickled pink that Crest has the confidence in us to allow us to do something like this. And we couldn't have picked a better day. Of course, we picked this day, 3 months ago. And here we just got off of 15 inches of rain over the last couple of weeks. And so we're pretty excited today. I think the high today is 80 degrees. There's no wind. It's a good day. Good day. We're tickled.
Yarbrough.